a firm believer, yeah, in the things that we do. We would all just come together and let the Lord lead our way. There is nothing that we can't do. There is nothing we can't face. We've got to come together, 'cause in the end we can make it all right. We've got to brave the weather, crawl through all of the storms. We've got to come together, 'cause in the end we can make it all right. We've got to learn to love.
A little bit that we're feeling a little left out in Huntsville.
Yeah.
So that's when I reached out to you, and you just like rallied and pulled this amazing crew together, and all the stuff. And honestly, man, it feels really, really good.
We've got to